everyone, I'm Megan, and today we will conduct a science experiment. But first, we have to learn a few things about chemicals. Take it away, Jackie.
Thanks, Megan. A long time ago in 1887, a dude named Svante Arrhenius discovered how to explain what an acid and a base were. He found that if you put a particle into water, sometimes they break down and release a hydrogen ion. When this happens, the mixture becomes acidic. Other times, the particle releases an hydroxide ion. This time, the mixture becomes basic.
Whether a liquid is an acid or base depends on the type of ions it has. If it has a lot of hydrogen ions, then it's an acid. If it has a lot of hydroxide ions, then it's a base.
But how can you measure the difference between an acid and a base?
Scientists use this thing called a pH scale. It measures how acidic or basic a liquid is. The scale ranges from 0, being the strongest, to 14, being the weakest. If a mixture has a pH level of 0 to 7, then it's acid. But if it's a mixture that has a pH level of 7 to 14, then it's a base. A liquid with a pH level of 7 is neutral.
For instance, the water we drink has a pH level of 7, so it's neutral. In our experiment, we'll be using vinegar, which is an acid, and baking soda, which is a base. What do you think is going to happen when we combine them?
Let's find out.
And be sure to try this at home, but make sure you have your parents' permission.
Let's go!
So first, you're going to pour vinegar into an empty water bottle.
Don't fill it up all the way, only to the halfway mark.
Then, you're going to put baking soda into a balloon. Then, you put the balloon on top of the water bottle, but make sure no baking soda gets in the water bottle. Then, when it's securely on, you go to lift it up and watch your balloon. Science. It's heavy. It's a heavy balloon. It's bubbling.
Oh, you can feel it shake.
Yay, science! When the acid and the base are combined, the ions form together to create water, salt, and carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide are all the little bubbles forming and popping, creating the gas.
But how did the balloon expand?
Well, gas needs room to expand, so as the carbon dioxide fills the bottle, it then inflates the balloon, causing the balloon to stretch.